Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and go to more security settings, and here we've got the option install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome. I mean from a browser, from a website. So not really from the Google Play Store, which is a usual place, or Galaxy Store, from which we are downloading the apps, but from the website. So just find the app. In my case it will be Chrome, and tap on the switcher next to it. And from now on, our device is allowed to install some content from this app. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher next to the app, or tap on Deny All if you've got more apps active. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.